Hi, and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Shantrell, here to give you financial tips and tricks as you go on your road to know your money better. So today I'm here for the 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, and my information is basically about investing. So as some of you follow me on my Instagram page, which is at the Financial Spotlight, I have shared that I have basically 4 cards that I use for purchasing, saving, paying bills, etc. And one of those cards is my Cash App card. So my Cash App card has come in handy once again, and that is for investing. They are allowing you to invest as low as $1 into stocks. Now, Cash App is not sponsoring this video, so I'm sharing this information just to help you out. Basically, what you can do is save $10, $5, whatever from your paycheck. Take that savings and invest it in a share or a portion of a share of stock. Now, I also put on my Instagram page a list of a couple of stocks that are under $10 that are a good investment. One of those is SiriusXM. So I invested $10 into SiriusXM because one of their shares is under $10. And I did that through my Cash App card. And all you have to do is go into your Cash App application, go to the squiggly line that's on the application. That's what it is now. By the time you see this, I hope it's in the same place. But you click on the squiggly line, and there you will find a list of different stocks that you can invest in, and you can go ahead and invest $1, I think it's $10, $20 on up. So what you would do is invest that money into that stock, and then you can see the growth and the fall throughout the day. And this is just a little something to start you on your way to investing. Now, I'm sure that they take out a small amount. I haven't really found out exactly how much. I think the last time I invested $10, they took like $1 from my investment. No, it was a penny. I'm sorry. They took a penny from my investment. So instead of me investing $10, it was $9.99. But my point here is it's somewhere to start. It is a start. So if you don't have the Cash App card already, go ahead and click the link in the description box, because I'll put that down there so that you can join Cash App. But also, if you do have a Cash App, take $1 at least and invest in one of the many stocks. We do know that Tesla has been going up since the beginning of the year. So that may be something that you're interested in investing in. Either way, make sure that you are having your money work from you. And what better way than to start now by investing in a share or multiple shares of stock. I hope this information helped you. Please share it and like it. And if you have any comments or questions about Cash App, about investing, about any of the stocks that I mentioned, please go ahead and leave a comment or questions in the comment section. I will definitely respond to you. And as always, I ask you to subscribe so that you can get more tips like this every Tuesday from me, Shantrell, here at the Financial Spotlight. Thank you for joining me. Have a good one.